Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cook a stiff tofu amok.
What are the ingredients that we have?
The ingredients that we have: tofu, mushroom, noni leaf, coconut meal, Khmer spice paste, sauce, soy sauce.
What we're gonna do next?
Next, we're gonna mix the ingredients together. First, we put tofu and mushroom. Can you pass me some noni? And noni leaf. And coconut meal. And Khmer spice paste. And sauce. And soy sauce. And we mix it together. This is a national dish of Khmer.
How do we cook it?
We need to steam it in the banana leaf. Can you pass me some banana leaf? Thank you. Now the water is boiling. We need to steam it. Can you help me? And steam it 20 minutes. And now I have some banana leaf. If you don't know how to fold it, I will show you how to fold it. We need to do like this and put it. Now it is finished. If you don't have banana leaf at home, you can cook it in the pot. Now the steamed tofu amok is finished. We need to put it on the plate. Now we need to put it on the plate. Now the steamed tofu amok is done. I hope you guys make it at home. Thank you for watching.